Hi guys, good morning. This happy Sunday everyone. Here we are after church guys. Dito po kami sa Robinson Mall because since my son is still honor, I just decided po na, dalhin ko siya sa mall because he wanted. After church we're here. We're going to eat our lunch po. So far, I'm gonna show you guys the place here. Those who are not yet known about this Robinson place is nearby in Antipolo, just very close, maybe 15 minutes po. So here, I'm gonna show you guys here. While I'm waiting for the order, there, it's down there. Later, we will go do some walk inside to check my son's clothes or outfit for his year-end party. Maybe by next month. We're going to eat guys here. This is our favorite place po. There, the Liberty Wings. You see that guys? So yan. Diyan po kami sa loob. So here, at the Liberty Wings. This one. Ito po yung paborito naming kainan. So inside, take a look. So, we will eat there while we're waiting for the order guys. I'm gonna do some walk outside showing you what's here. It's a Sunday morning guys. Thank you so much for being with us. So later after we're going to eat, I'm gonna do some walk inside to show you more, but so far I'm gonna go inside guys. This is the Liberty. Yeah, if you wanted to come, drop by, bring your family and loved ones, you could come here. This is our favorite place because the chicken here is very good. The way they made it, the sauce, and very organized, and I don't know, we just love it. We don't need to choose a lot, but this is every time we're coming here to Robinson, we're coming here. This second floor guys, near the Gongcha and beside the potato corner, and this is the food court guys there. So here we're going to go inside just to show you what's the food, okay? Ayun, I'm here na guys. I'm coming here na inside. Say hi. So there you go. There the staff, very accommodating, and so far we just two here, me and my son, because it's our favorite spot guys. Take a look. Actually, this is one of the famous restaurant in America, and the chicken is so amazing. It's awesome. The taste, the sauce, and take a look. There you go. They know us already because every time we're coming here and they know what to order. And here's my son there because he's still in honor. So, this third quarter, I wanna treat him a little appreciation for all the effort that he's doing, right? Sometimes we all parent can do that to our kids just for them to encourage more enough to struggle and study hard, right? So you guys, we will just eat. While we're waiting, we'll eat first and post this, and I'm gonna go back to you just to show you more what's our Sunday ganap. Thank you guys. Happy Sunday. Hello po. Ang paraan po ng pagkain dito. Actually, you have a choice guys. If you want to use fork and spoon, you could, but nowadays, most of me, I'm comfortable, especially as the Filipino people. Once we sit, kapag nasa bahay lang po tayo, di ba? We just ate using our hands. But here naman, it's a formality because you're outside. We have to use this plastic guys to support, and of course, we could enjoy the food. Yeah? Look at our food. I'll show you. This is our favorite. May chicken part that, nito? This is spicy guys, and this is favorite of my son. That's why we always come here every time we wanted. So far, we will eat in a while. Stay there. Enjoy. Ayan. Look at the guys there at the counter. Say hi. So, guys, Liberty Wings, second floor of SM Robinson's place here in Antipolo. Some of you that you could watch this, come drop by because the chicken, I'm assuring you, it's amazing. It's awesome chicken. Okay? But, I'll let you guys do or whatever you could. Just we will eat first, and later I'm gonna continue it for you to see what's our Sunday ganap today. Love you all guys. Bye-bye. Hello guys. Tapos na po kaming kumain. Ngayon po, papasok na kami sa Dep Store. Charan! Kami po ay mag-check ng outfit ng aking anak para po sa year-end party nila sa school. See? Yeah. We're looking for his outfit. Gusto niya po. We are at a dep store. Ayaw mo anak ng mga ganun, no? Jogger. Yan, Baya mo siya mamili. Aesthetic, pambabae yan. Sige lang, take your time. Dito po kami sa loob ng department store. Kami po ay namimili ng aming, titingin siya ng kanyang mga. Okay. Yun ang gusto mo? Sige. Yan po, hanap-hanap, sunod lang po tayo. Marami pa dyan anak sa baba. Doon din yung mga wallet na leather anak. Mostly pang girls dito So ayan, pupunta po kami sa second floor. First floor I think. We will check his wallet. Because ang ganda guys nung mga flowers for the center table, no? All those. There's 50% off, Look guys, ang dami pong sale dito sa loob. So, that's for girls, anak. Yeah. There, we will go there later down. Just to check some for belt for the boys, wallet for him. You know what, actually guys, ang dami niya na pong gamit. It's just so happen po. Talagang, hilab. What is in, yung uso, talagang he's trying to check something na gusto niya. But actually, for me, me as parent, we all, parent out there, you could make it naman for your kids, children. My son is just only one, so as much as I can, to give the best, not totally perfect, it's just the best. Because for them to encourage enough and maging sila, eager to study hard, doesn't mean you're buying their grades, but through their own will, of course, they're gonna have the effort, just to do something for their school. So, that's why. Look at this, anak. Oh, polo cute. Oh, 50% off.
Balikan natin yung mga namin. Hanap mo tayo wallet.
Okay, go. There.
Tingin mo lang sa kanto.
Dito. Sapatos. He never stopped buying shoes, guys. He still has a lot of some new shoes there. It's in the box. It never been used. They just gonna choose again. Oh my goodness. Check the price so when we come back, at least we know. You're always surprising me with the price. That's why, guys, he likes. Let him choose because he's the one who gonna wear it, not me. Whatever he likes, I could give it. Anak, may ganyan ka pa, hindi mo pa nga nasusuot di ba? So,
ito, ang ganito ulit.
Yeah. And yung sa akin dito ko rin binili yun yung blue doon. Doon. Mostly na guys, namimili na naman po siya. Magkano yan? Tingnan mo yan, ayaw mo yan. Sabi mo yung mga pang forma.
Ganito
Nike. Check the price. So when we come back next week, we could get it na.
20%.
Malay mo,
38 lang.
yan 5,000 yung pera mo, di ba? Sapatos lang. Baka mag-abono ako 3,800 plus yung pangbaba, shirts. Di ba? Make sure susuotin mo yan. I-stock mo na naman. Oo.
Bibitin ko to sa year-end. Uy! Ito
So,
ito may ganito.
check the price. Saan mo yan?
Ito, kailangan ko to sa training namin.
How much, anak?
800 lang.
Or not now. You will buy your wallet. Maybe next, on Sunday or after na magtanggal tayo ng brace mo.
Adidas na sakso.
Oh.
Kailangan ko to sa training ko.
White. Sige, i-check mo lang. So at least,
700.
look at that for the socks, 700. Amazing guys, no? Sa mga gamit lang po ng bata. Medyas lang. Imagine yung medyas lang, 3 pare, 700 na guys. So, ayun. For now,
Sa sapatos dito, ito
antay na po kami. Just for the wallet po, 800 pesos. Look at that. It's leather naman guys. So,
800.
that's why he likes it. So, we all guys be happy whatever the kids as much as we can. Do not get pressure guys. So, here. Uwi na po kami guys. Because nakabili na kami ng mga hindi pala mga wallet lang niya po kasi yung kanyang leather wallet ay sira na po. So, just for the wallet guys ha, imagine mo yan, 800 pesos. There's a lot of sales here. You know what guys, the good thing kapag it's a lot of sales guys there. We're going home na po. We're going out and headed out from the Robinson Mall. So, here, tapos na po kami bumili ng kanyang wallet. Wallet lang guys, 800. Pang ilang kilong bigas na yon, char. But it's okay guys, he deserve it because he's doing well in his studies and he's a good boy. Minsan walang halaga pag nakikita nating masaya yung mga anak natin. Although isa lang naman po yung anak ko, so I'm letting him enjoy while he's young. Diba? Pagkaya po nating mga parent, pero kapag hindi, do not get pressure guys kasi hindi po maganda yon. So, here now, we're going out because he just got what he want after lunch. So, we're going out na po. Oh my God, this is the problem. Very, very, very hot po. But again, it's part of life. Uwi na po kami and travel going to. Right. Sige po. Still, we're going to. Hindi pa rin po siya tapos. Diyos ko. Bibili po siya daw ng erasing tape. So, National Bookstore guys. Ito pa rin siya. Oh my goodness. Things as always. So, here. Inside. So, getting his eraser tape guys. So, ayun. Thank you so much po. At sinamahan nyo kami sa aking pagbablog. So, simple, ganap ngayong Sunday. Sometimes, enjoy the day. Hindi natin kailangan laging maraming pera para makita natin yung saya, kundi sa puso, sa tunay na may malinis na puso, kahit simple lang ang pamilya. Amen po. So, good day guys. Happy Sunday. And I'll post it, make it worth for you to see all of the ganap naming mag-ina ngayong Sunday po. So, here, he's still choosing